Hi, I'm Specialist Robertson with Bravo Company 1st and 30th here in Fort Warrior, Kirkuk, Iraq. I want to give a shout out to my wife and son in Eldon, Missouri. Go Chiefs.
Hi, this is CW3 Greg Waterman with 3rd ID G4.
Specialist Timothy Waterman with 31 AHB.
We're currently here at beautiful Cobb Spiker, Iraq, and we want to wish the Kansas City Chiefs a great season. Huh!
This is Specialist Matt Callahan with the 601st HSC at beautiful Taji, Iraq. I want to tell the Kansas City Chiefs good luck this season.
Hi, this is Captain Michael Poling with 21 GSAB here in lovely Camp Taji, Iraq. I want to wish the Kansas City Chiefs good luck. Go Chiefs.
My name is Captain Lou Weber from Piedmont, South Dakota with the 196 Maneuver Enhancement Brigade, currently serving in Camp Phoenix, Kabul, Afghanistan. I want to give a shout out to my team, the Kansas City Chiefs. Optimistic for the year. I hope you guys keep at it and do your best, and 110%. Go Chiefs.
This is Specialist Charles Williams with 31 AHB at beautiful Cobb Spiker, Iraq. I want to wish the Kansas City Chiefs good luck at the game.
Hi, this is Captain Peter Mathews with 21 GSAB at beautiful Taji, Iraq. I want to wish the Kansas City Chiefs good luck. Make us proud, guys.
Hey everybody out there in Kansas City, this is Captain Ephraim Gibson with HHC Cab in Taji, Iraq. Just want to wish the Chiefs good luck, and I'll be home soon. Take care.
Hi, this is Corporal Christiana with HHC Cab at beautiful Taji, Iraq. I want to wish the Kansas City Chiefs good luck.